Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video we are going to discuss about the vertebral column and the your rib cage. So two things we will discuss here, and then we will be completing this axial skeleton part. Then we will move to the appendicular skeleton. Before that, let's learn vertebral column. Vertebral column and your rib cage. So first we will discuss vertebral column. So we all know that we have dorsally supporting vertebral column. So it is present on the dorsal side, which means behind our body, right? So it starts from, suppose this is your skull, this is your skull, this is your face, like this. So it will start from your base of the skull and joins the two occipital condyles present in under your uh, skull. It will join the, there will be first vertebrae present. So we all know that vertebral column is made up of 26 vertebrae. 26 vertebrae. So you can divide this 26 vertebrae by 7. There are 7 cervical vertebrae, then 12 thoracic vertebrae, then 5 lumbar vertebrae, 1 sacral vertebrae, sacral, and 1 coccygeal. So here you can divide in these 5 sections. So cervical vertebrae are present in your neck region. So suppose these are two occipital condyles. So here there will be first vertebrae, second vertebrae, third vertebrae, fourth, six, 5, 6, 7. 7 vertebrae are present in your cervical region. We have to draw from this part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 are the cervical vertebrae. 7 in number and present in your neck region, cervical. Okay, then there are some thoracic vertebrae. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 are thoracic vertebrae. So vertebrae is like ring like structure through which spinal cord passes. So that canal through spinal cord is passing, that canal is called as neural canal. Suppose this is your vertebrae, and through them spinal cord passes. This is spinal cord. So this canal through which spinal cord is passing, the canal of the vertebrae, is called neural canal. Neural canal. Okay, so these 12 are thoracic vertebrae. Then there is 5 lumbar vertebrae. 3, 4, 5 lumbar vertebrae, and then there is a coccyx, sorry, sacral and coccyx. One coccyx, one sacral, like this. So in this way, your vertebral column is designed. Then we all know that ventrally there is your sternum, flat bone which is present, sternum, present between your chest region, this part. This is also called chest bone, the sternum. Sternum is a chest bone, and ventrally it is sternum, dorsally it is vertebral column, the thoracic vertebrae, and there are some bones present between your uh, thoracic vertebrae and sternum, they are joining, connecting sternum with the thoracic vertebrae, are called as ribs. These are the flat bones present this at this side and also at this side of your skeleton. So these are the ribs. From both the sides there will be ribs, and it connects your sternum with hyaline cartilage. So here I am drawing rib cage for you. Suppose this is your sternum. Behind it, from dorsally, there is vertebral column, and ribs are like this. This is one rib, two rib, three, four, five, six, seven. So we all know that ribs are how much? Ribs having 12 pairs. So first 7 pairs are connected with sternum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are connected with sternum and called true ribs. First 7 ribs, 7 pair are called true ribs because they are connecting dorsally from to your vertebral column and connecting the sternum with hyaline cartilage. First 7 ribs. Then 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10 are connecting with your 7th rib like this. Like this. It is not connecting to the sternum. It is connecting with the 7th rib. This is 7th rib. 8, 9, 10 is connecting with your 7th rib. Again with the help of hyaline cartilage. These are called false ribs. 8, 9, 10. These are called false ribs. Then there are also 2 ribs which are not connected. They are just floating. They are not connected with sternum or 7th rib. These 2, 11th and 12th, are called floating ribs. 11th and 12th are called floating ribs. I hope it is visible. Floating ribs. So first 7 ribs are connected with sternum ventrally, true ribs. 8, 9, 10 are connected with 7th rib, not sternum, false ribs. Then 2 ribs, 11th and 12th rib is connected. It's not connected to sternum or 7th rib. Both are called as the floating ribs. So this is your rib cage. We all know that rib cage having function, it is helping your breathing process. How it helps we will study in the breathing chapter, but it's about the skeleton. So here we are completing vertebral column and rib cage. Behind it we all know that vertebral column is there. Okay, so this was about it, guys. This is vertebral column made up of 26 serially arranged ring-like vertebrae bones. First 7 are called cervical, 12 thoracic, sternum, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 1 sacral, 1 coccygeal. Here I am giving you the trick. Sacral is present before coccygeal. Coccygeal is the last bone. So sacral having A in its spelling, so A comes first. So you have to write sacral first. O comes later in the alphabet, then it is at the last. So first A comes, that's why sacral comes first, coccygeal comes later. So in this way you can remember this. 7 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 1 sacral, 1 coccygeal. And about ribs, there are 12 pairs of ribs. 12 pairs means 24 bones. First 7 ribs are connected ventrally with sternum with the help of hyaline cartilage called true ribs. 8, 9, 10 connected with 7th rib with the help of hyaline cartilage, false ribs. 2 ribs, 11th and 12th, are not connected ventrally. They are like floating, that's why called floating ribs. So this was about vertebral column and rib cage. We will meet in the next video.